10 mistakes to avoid. While fasting in Ramadan. Fasting in Ramadan isn't just about staying hungry and thirsty, it's about self-control, patience, and spiritual growth. But many people make mistakes that can reduce the rewards of their fast. Here are 10 common mistakes you should avoid to make your fast more meaningful and rewarding. 1. Eating after Fajr Adhan. Once the Fajr Adhan has been called, eating or drinking anything, even a single sip of water, can break your fast. Make sure to stop before the time is up. 2. Gossiping, lying, and backbiting. Your fast isn't just about food, it's about purifying your soul. If you're spending your day gossiping, lying, or backbiting, your fast loses its spiritual value. 3. Getting angry and losing patience. Ramadan is a time to practice patience. If someone tries to provoke you, simply say, "I am fasting." Don't let anger spoil the peace of your fast. 4. Skipping salah, prayer. Fasting without praying is like watering a plant but not giving it sunlight. If you're skipping prayers while fasting, you're missing out on major blessings. 5. Sleeping all day and ignoring worship. Yes, fasting makes you tired, but spending the entire day sleeping wastes the precious rewards of Ramadan. Use this time for Quran recitation, dhikr, and seeking forgiveness. 6. Watching inappropriate content and wasting time. Social media and TV can be distractions. Avoid watching anything that takes you away from the spirit of Ramadan, and instead engage in productive activities. 7. Overeating at iftar and suhoor. Stuffing yourself with food defeats the purpose of fasting, which is self-discipline. Overeating can make you lazy and reduce your energy for ibadah, worship. 8. Forgetting to make niyyah, intention. Your fast is incomplete without making a sincere intention. While it's best to say it at suhoor, even if you forget, keep it in your heart that you are fasting for Allah. 9. Engaging in useless talk and indecent behavior. Avoid swearing, inappropriate jokes, or any behavior that contradicts the purity of fasting. Ramadan is about self-purification, not just food deprivation. 10. Delaying or rushing iftar. It's sunnah to break your fast as soon as Maghrib Adhan is called. Don't delay unnecessarily, but also don't break your fast before the exact time. By avoiding these mistakes, your fast won't just be a ritual, it will be a powerful spiritual journey that brings you closer to Allah. May Allah accept all our fasts and bless us this Ramadan.